Hello, good day. Again, this is El Maestro. Welcome back to my channel. Um, this lesson is all about operation of sets. Okay, this is for grade 7 students. And again, let me remind you before proceeding with this video, make it sure um, natanaw na ninyo, na-review ninyo yung lesson nato regarding sets. Okay? Kasi we will be needing all those, no? Yung prior nato na knowledge regarding sets. So, without much further ado, let's continue and let's proceed. Okay, so in proceeding with this lesson, okay, let's go directly with a problem, no? Para mas masabta nato kung saon pag-solve ang worded problem na naay sets or involving sets. Okay? So let's have this example first. In a survey was conducted at your school with 100 respondents. It was found that 68 students like math, 42 students like science, and 27 students like both. A Venn diagram is provided below for you to study and answer the question that follow. Okay. So, so first thing that you're going to do, class, pag na-worded problem, okay, which is later on, mas ma-specify na to siya, is you have to read and understand the problem. Okay, first statement ni siya, naay nag-survey sa school. Okay, so there are 100 respondents. So, naay 100 kabuk respondents, meaning 100 kabuk ang ni-appeal sa survey. So, sa pag-survey, sa second nato na statement, ingon diri, it was found that 68 students like math. So, sa mga pangutana, maybe this survey is all about yung mga favorite nila na subjects. So 68 of 100, okay, sa 100 kabuk 68 niingon ganahan sila math. Okay? Then 42 ganahan og science and 27 ganahan sila math and science or both. Okay. So, unsaon nato ni? So first is since we have to illustrate this one into a Venn diagram later. But before that, isulat sa gyud nato unsa ang mga given. Okay? So the first given is a survey was conducted at your school with 100 respondents, meaning you have 100 respondents. So na kay 100 ka students. Okay, next. It was found that 68 students like math. Again, given na kay 68 na ganahan og math. Next, 42 like science. Okay, let's continue. Sulat nato ng 42 ganahan sa science. And last, napa siya state last, 27 ganahan pud og math and science or they like both. Okay. So unsang next natong buhaton ani? Okay? So, ato na ni siya i-illustrate or ibutang pinaagi sa Venn diagram. First is we have 100 respondents. That 100 respondents sa atong Venn diagram class, mauna siya ang nasa sulod sa rectangle or the universal set. Remember the universal set? Okay? So if ma-remember ninyo yung universal set, meaning sa sulod sa rectangle, naa din ha tanang um, elements nimo. Okay? So meaning, you have 100 respondents. Okay. Nakuha? So in 100 respondents, naatay giingon na sa 100 ka buok, 68 ato ganaan og math. So unsaon nato na siya? That will be the subset of your universal set. Meaning, naay 68 ato, okay, sa imong 100, naay 68 ato nga ganahan og math. So atong buhaton, okay, so mao ni siya ang atong buhaton class. So 68 of that 100, okay, is naa sa sulod sa atong circle. Subset na sa universal set. Okay? Nakuha. So, wala nang 100 ka respondents because naatay 68. Okay? Pero, butangan gyapon nato siya 32 to make it 100 in total. Always remember na ang sa sulod is 100 total yun na siya. Okay? So, unsang next? 42 likes math or like math, sorry. Next, sulat nimo na circle na kay 42 din ha. The problem here is daghan na kayo. Ang nabili nato is 32, ang atong gidungag sa science is 42. So tanggalon na nato ning 42. Nakuha. So, ang last given, na siya given nga 27. But before that, let's check. 68 plus 42 class, that is equal to 110. Sobra karon ang atong given. Kasi ang dapat naa sa sulod sa atong rectangle is 100 lang because we only have 100 respondents. Pero sama sa inyo na ako, pa siya isa ka given. Kaya na siya 27 like both math and science. Ang pangutana, unsaon nato ni siya karon pag-resolve class. Okay? So if you can still remember class ang gibuhat nato before about intersection, okay, ma-remember ninyo ning illustration. Okay? Kanang naay intersection sa tunga. 'Di ba? So nagdikit ang duha ka circle, meaning naay part or portion sa science and portion sa math nga nag-overlap sila, nag-abot sila duha. Okay? So mao na diha nato ibutang ang atong 27 nga ganahan math og science. To further understand that class, I will give you an illustration. Let's have this illustration. Let's say for example, you have sets of students na naa sa imong universal set. Let's say for example, 5 ani gikandak og survey. Okay, illustrate na to para mas masabtan ninyo. Let's say ang isa ganhag math sci na ay ganan og science, math, and science. Okay? So atong buhaton, isulod nato ni sila sa atong subset. So we make a subset like math, ganan og science. So this time ato silang isulod. So mao na ni siya. The problem here, class, always remember na 5 lang na sila sa sulod, okay? The problem here is this student. This student is ganahan siya math and ganahan siya science. Okay? So does it mean na magbutang punta diri sa pikas the same thing saya because ganahan po siya science? Kung inga ng case, madoble siya, meaning pila nakabuok naa sa sulod sa imong universal set. Unom nakabuok. This is what happened earlier sa atong discuss, di ba? Ang nahitabo na mo siyang 110 because naisa ka estudyante na ganahan og math o ganahan po siya science, doble ang iyang ganahan. So ang atong gibuhat is we make an intersection. Nakuha, tanawa, si ganahan si math o ganahan og science. So meaning in this case, kaning aside, these students ganahan nila math only. Di ba? Because math lang man ilang ganahan. Naa sila sa portion wherein math lang ilang ganahan. Okay? And this portion here is intersection nato. Okay? Which is ganahan sila math o ganahan sila science. Okay? And this part here is kung asa ganahan lang sila science. Okay? Nakuha ninyo ang point? So ang atong pinaka-goal diri is makabaluta unsa ang intersection niya. Okay, let's go back sa atong problem solving. Okay. So tan-awa ninyo class. So meaning kaning 27 ka book na nasa atong intersection is appeal na siya na count sa imong 68. Meaning appeal siya sa 68. And this 27 also is part siya sa imong 42. Okay? So unsa atong buhaton? Because this 27 is part of 68, so ato na siyang i-minus. So meaning, 68 minus 27 is equal to 41. Since, naa naman kay 27 di sa intersection, so pila na lang ang kulang para mag 68. So that is 41. So ang ibutang nimo karon din na, instead of 68, 41. Nakuha ninyo? Tanawa, 41 plus 27 is equal to 68. Meaning, ang sulod sa circle nimo is na like math is 68 gyapon, wala na usap. Okay? So next, 42 minus 27, again because sa 42 appeal na si 27 ato. So ato siyang tanggalon. That is equal to 15. So that is 15. Nakuha ninyo class? Okay. So makuha nimo 27 plus 15, still that is equal to 42. This is now our Venn diagram. I-total nato sila class. Tanaw nato 100 ba? So 42 plus 27 plus 15 is equals to 83. Now, the question, Sir, nganong dili man 100? Nganong 83 man? So ayaw ka balaka because you can put 17 outside sa imong mga circle. Meaning, 17 of the students dili ganahan og math, dili pud sila ganahan og science. Okay? Maybe these 17 students ganahan sila ag recess. Okay? Or maybe they like English, aral pan, okay? But since they like other subject, no? Dili science and math, so meaning naa sila sa gawas. So kung i-total nato na sila tanan, that is 83 na naa sa sulod sa imong subsets or naa sa imong like math and like science plus 17, so you have 100 students inside your universal set. Okay? So sa inyong Venn diagram or sa inyong module or whatever module na inyong gigunita, na ay siguro maybe mga questions din na. Okay. So this is the question. So ang question, ako lang gi-move gamay class para makita gyapon nato itong mga given. First question, ingon niya, how many students like math? Only math. Okay? Meaning math lang yun ilang ganahan. How many students like only science? And how many students does not like math or science? Sa illustration nato ganina gipakita nato asa nga portion dito ang ganahan lag math. 'Di ba? This portion, these are the only students na ganahan lang silag math. Nganuman, kay kung isulod mo siya sa tunga sa 27, meaning apil naigo po siya sa science, meaning ganahan po siya sa science. So in this case, ang naa lang diya sa blue, those are the only students like math. So butang nimo din na 41 students. And how many students likes only science? Okay, very good. They are 15 students. And how about how many student does not like math or science? Meaning, dili sila ganag math, dili gina sila ganag science. These are the students na nasa gawa sa imong Venn diagram. 17 students. So, na-answer na karon ang atong pangutana. So, this is how you solve a worded problem involving sets. Okay, let's have another example class. Okay, before jumping into a new set of problem, let's analyze first unsa ang atong gibuhat. So these are the things that we take note. Okay? So in solving worded problem, it is very important that we read and understand the problem first before answering, meaning analyze the problem carefully. So tanaw atong gibuhat ganin. Now let us analyze the question. The problem asks for the number of students who like math only. So ang gipangutana is estudyante naganahan og math only, ha, with emphasis only ang ila ganahan, math lang jud. So do not jump into conclusion that the number of students who like math is 68. That is not the correct answer, meaning when you say ang ganahan og math 68, mauna to siya ang answer, dili nga naman sa 68 do ganahan silag math na ay portion dito sa 68 na ganahan po science, meaning doble ang ilang ganahan. So why is that so? Let us carefully analyze the problem. It states that there are 68 students who like math and 27 who like both math and science. This means that the total number of students who like math is 68. Regardless if that students also likes science. Remember that the problem asks for students who like only math. So this is what I'm saying, class. So since niingon siya ganahan 68 ka buok ang ganahag math, dili but pasabot na tanan ato math ra gyud ang ganahan. Lahi ang statement na like math o like math only. Nakuha ninyo? So ingana na siya. So the same cases with the other problem. So after analyzing that one, unsa ang atong gibuhat. So we read and understand the problem, mao natong gibuhat, gi-analyze, then gi-analyze nato unsa ang gipangita. Okay? Remember unsa ang gipangita. Okay? Ang gipangita dito, students who likes math only or only math only science, and students who don't like math and who don't like science. Okay? Then, identify the intersection of set. This is very crucial and important. Dapat kabalo mo identify asa ang intersection sa imong set. Ug pila ka buok ang naa sa intersection, or meaning pila ang cardinality. Kasi in number 5, you subtract the cardinality of the intersection, meaning pila tong naa sa intersection, pila ang naa sa imong set gyud. Okay? Sa kabuuan. Then lastly, you write your conclusion. So ingana lang siya. Nakuha? So let's use this step-by-step method class in solving this new set of problem. Okay, let's have this example. In a survey of 120 children, 55 they had tocino for breakfast, 40 children said they had hot dog for breakfast, and 25 students they had both tocino and hot dog for breakfast. So this is the survey. Okay, so take note of whatever ang naadina, because sa atong step-by-step process, remember, you have to read, understand the problem. So, gi-read nato karon, gi-understand nato, meaning there are 55 who eat tocino, there are 40 who eat hot dog, and 25 who eat tocino and hot dog. Then, let's proceed to step number 2, analyze what is asked. So, these are the things na gipangita. Okay? So, let's analyze how many children had eaten only tocino as their breakfast. Again, only, meaning tocino lang jud ang ilang gikaon. How many children had eaten only hot dogs as their breakfast, and how many children did not have tocino or hot dog for breakfast? So let's analyze, okay? First, tocino lang jud ang ilang gikaon. Second, hot dog lang jud because na only. And third, wala jud ni kaon og tocino or hot dog. Okay? So we do not know unsa ang ilang gikaon for breakfast. Then number 3, draw a Venn diagram. But before magbuhat og Venn diagram, always remember to write down the given. So the given are, so you have 120 total number of children. You have 55 tocino eating, okay, for breakfast. You have 40 hot dog for breakfast, and we have 25 both tocino and hot dog for breakfast. So these are the given class, okay, sa atong data. So Venn diagram. So this is our Venn diagram, and how many cardinality, or what's the cardinality, or pila ka buok ang naa sa atong universal set? Okay. So you have 120 total number of children. So take note of that. Okay, before proceeding, tapos na nato siya na-analyze, nag-draw na tag Venn diagram, what's next? Ingon siya, identify the intersection of the set. Okay? Always remember na ang intersection, these are kung asa ganahan ang duha. Basta na both. Okay? So, let's identify the intersection. So, you draw a tocino lover or eater, which is 55. And you have hot dog eater as 40. Okay. So, asang intersection? Okay. So, this is the portion nga naay intersection. Pila ka book sa intersection? Okay. This is now identifying intersection. Then, afterwards, unsa ingon, subtract the cardinality of the intersection from the cardinality of the set. Number 5. Let's do this. So, na kay 25 kabuok ganahan sa breakfast. And ingon sa step number 5, subtract the cardinality sa imong intersection sa imong set tocino. So, that is, okay, let's balik ko na to. Subtract the cardinality of the intersection from the cardinality of the set. Okay, number 5. So, that is 55 minus 25. And that is equal to 30. So, meaning, ang mabili na lang din na, kay since si 25 part of 55, so that is 30. So, in total, 55 gyapon sila. Next, you have 40 minus 25, that is 15. So in total, 40 gyapon sila. Okay, this is now our Venn diagram. Next is i-total na to. Let's see if niuyon ba gyud siya sa total number of children na gi-survey. So you have 30 plus 25 plus 15. That is only 70. Meaning, the rest of the children nga wala na appeal sa atong tusinog hotdog, these are the students na naa sa gawas. So 50 of them dili ganahan tusino, dili ganahan og hotdog. Okay? So, let's identify now. Okay? So first is question, how many children had eaten only tocino as their breakfast? So from this illustration, there are 30 children who only eat tocino. Next, how many children had eaten their hot dog? Okay, only hot dog. So that is 15. And last, how many children did not eat tocino or hot dog for breakfast? Okay, kanang naa sa gawas. So there are 50 students. So, my dear students, this is how you solve a worded problem involving sets. Okay? So, there are things na imurag yun hinumduman. Pila ang total and pila ang kada cardinality or pila ka book number ang kada naa sa imong set. So, to further um, go beyond pang atong understanding ani no. So let's have this. Complete the Venn diagram below. Note the numbers inside the Venn diagram is the cardinality of set and not its element. Again, ang naa sa sulod kasi normally atong ginabutang previously di ba sa atong circle nagbutang tag 1 2 3 4 5 kato elements to. Ang atong gibuhat karon dili elements. Ang cardinality kung pila ka book elements ang naa sa sulod. Okay? So, let's say for example this one. Naani sa inyong module or sa inyong mga books na yung mga ingani. So, complete the Venn diagram below. Take note, the numbers inside the Venn diagram is the cardinality of the set and not its element. Meaning, kaning 15 ug 28, dili ni sila elements. Meaning, there are 15 elements nga nasa imong A. Nakuha? So, if the cardinality of the universal set is 73, meaning cardinality sa universal, ang total nga naa sa imong universal is 73, what is the cardinality of the missing region in set B? So, pila si B? So, complete the diagram. If makita nimo, since 73 in total, gi-minus niya si 15, si 28, ug si 23. So, pag i-minus nimo na, that is equal to 7, then that's the cardinality of your B. Okay? If the cardinality of the universal set is 113, what is the cardinality of the missing region in set G? So, complete the diagram. So, say buhaton. So, G is equal to 113 minus 2 minus 14 minus 19. So, G is equal to 78. So, that is 78. Next. If the cardinality of the universal set is 89, what is the cardinality of the missing region in set Y? Complete the diagram below. Again, y is equal to 89 minus 51 minus 11 minus 12, and that is equal to 15. So you write down 15. So this is now your Venn diagram. Then, if the cardinality of the region set is 257, what is the cardinality of the missing region in set K? Complete the diagram below. So, total is 257 minus 43 minus 10 minus 52. That is equal to, oh sorry, that is K class. That is not Y ha. That is K is equal to 52. So, K is equal to 52. Sorry, that is K, no, not Y. Sa inyong module, dagang pag-example, dagang klase-klaseng style, okay? You can follow these steps, okay, para ma-solve ni ninyo. Okay, again, if you like this video, you know what to do, you know the drill. Um, pabulong sa inyong mga friends, okay? from other schools, okay? Maybe makahelp ni sa ilaha. Okay? So if you have questions and clarification, you write down in the comment section below para ma-entertain ako if there are mga things na confusing sa inyo or clarification or maybe basig na ay um, nakita ninyo na medyo dili sakto, okay? You can comment that in comment section below. Okay? Para ma-address nato ang inyong mga concerns. Okay? Once again, thank you for watching sa akong YouTube channel. Again, this is El Maestro. Thank you for watching and God bless.